arrays are mutable and using which you can have the modification methods there. For example, when you have declared elements using array, you can change them with the help of the index position, but when you compare to the list, they are immutable. So the data which you have provided into the list can't be changed. In this vlog, we will try to see the implementation of list in Kotlin programming. So in our previous tutorial, we have covered the topic arrays in Kotlin, and we have seen how we can implement the arrays and what are all its usages. So now we will be looking into the list, and you can find the similarity between arrays and list here. They both belong to collection framework, and the major difference between arrays and list is an interface and array list is a class. So arrays are mutable and using which you can have the modification methods there. For example, when you have declared elements using array, you can change them with the help of the index position, but when you compare to the list, they are immutable. So the data which you have provided into the list can't be changed unless or until you are using a mutable list. So now let us try to see an example here. Declare the main method, and here I am considering a variable a equal to. So previously we have seen array of, and this time we will be seeing list of list declaration, and here you need to specify the type. So based upon your requirement, you can provide a string or integer or float, or if you are not sure what type of data you will be storing into the list, you can also specify any here. So I think in our previous tutorial we have discussed about this any, so you can just refer to our previous tutorial to get more information on what does any keyword do. So now we have declared here our list, and so inside the curly brackets we need to specify the elements here. So I'm just specifying 1 2 3 4. You can see that when we are using any, we can provide the data of any type here. So even I can provide a string here, so it accepts a string, integer, character, and also a boolean. So with the help of any, we can add all this data to a list here. So now let us try to print the list now. So now let us try to print the list here. So we can't directly print the list, we need to have a for loop and specify I in a. So instead of a here, we need to specify I, and now try to run this code. Make sure you have replaced here a with I. So here you can see we have got our list printed onto the console here. So the data which we have specified is been printed, and now let us try to add some more data here. So a dot, here you can see we can't insert the data into the list, but we can fetch the data which is available in the list. So based on the index, to make the list accept the data instead of list of, you need to make use of a mutable list here. So when you are trying to use a mutable list, here also you can specify the type here. So if you specify any and just remove this redundant data, so now you can see we can easily use the mutable list also in the same way we used the list previously. And now let us try to see what are all the options available now. So here we are having an option to set the data here and add, replace, remove. So you can see now we have got an option to add the new data to our list. So now let us try to add data. I just want to add one more string here, Kotlin, and now try to run this code. So here we have got our Kotlin added to the list and is now printed. and we are also having several other parameters here, and also we are having other options like remove. You can remove any element. So here let us consider the index position 0, 1 and 2 here. So I want to remove the value present at the index position 2, and now try to print the data. Now we will be seeing 3 will be removed here, and now let us try to replace 4 with another number, that is 5. So let us comment this line for now, and a dot set, and third index position I want to replace with 5 instead of 4. So now let us try to run this code again and see the output, and here you can see instead of 4, 5 is being printed here. So this is how we can make use of a list in Kotlin. So based upon your requirement, you can either use mutable list or immutable list. Both are having their own advantages. So yes, this is it for this tutorial on list. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Kotlin.